Hello dear friends. This video is designed for those who are interested in C# and those who need programming in their field of work. This video is an introduction for beginners. This course currently has about 22,000 students, and with a rating of 4.5, it could be a very good course. The price of this course is currently $25. And if you prepare this course, you can have full-time access to this course. If there is a new version for the course, you can use the new version by updating the course. The duration of this course is currently 2 hours. And after completion, the certificate of this course will be available to you. In this course, you are supposed to learn the following topics. Create Windows programs with C#. Create graphical and console apps. Use Visual Studio. Use variables and arrays. And many other topics. I am going to make this course available to you for free, and you can access all the parts of the course for free and completely legally, and even get a certificate without paying any fees. Just open your browser and search skilldiscounts.com in your search engine. Click on this link among the results to make sure that the website address is the same one that is being shown here. After clicking on the link, you will enter the main page of skilldiscounts.com. On this page, you can see all the courses that were offered with a discount coupon on the Udemy website, including the course in question that you can see here. To access the discount coupon for this course, just click on this link. The round page will open for you. You can see the course details here. And to access the discount coupon for this course, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the Go to the Course button. As you can see, I was able to get this course for free through skilldiscounts.com. And now instead of paying $25, I will receive this course for free. Note that there are currently 4 days left of the course discount. And the discount coupon is automatically applied here. You can use this free and legal course with a course completion certificate. So easily. If you want to use other free and legal Udemy courses, you can see other sections of the skilldiscounts.com site. Go even in different categories. Or go to the All Free Online Courses section and search for the course you want. The video useful, you can share it with your friends so that they can also get such training. Thank you for liking and subscribing. Have a nice day.